Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about test benches. How to create test bench in Verilog. Test bench is a HDL module that is used to test another module called the device under test. The test bench contains statements to apply to the input to the DOT and ideally to check that the correct outputs are produced. The input and output patterns are called test vectors. Okay, so let us create a test bench module here. So I've already created a test bench named SOP test bench. So I have created this module similar to my last video. What you have to do is just add a new source and you have to right click on the module and click on new source, then select a Verilog module, give it a name. I have given it SOP test bench, and then you have to press next and continue. Then after that this file will be created. Now we need to test SOP example, so that is device under test. Okay, so when you're giving input ABC to this module SOP example, if you see this file, the input is ABC and output is Y. So whenever in test bench you need to declare input A, B, C as reg, and output Y should be declared as wire. Then you need to instantiate the SOP example module, and I have instantiated this SOP exam module using the DOT keyboard. After that you need to write a code for the changing input. So before writing input, like changing input, you need to add a loop here using initial begin. You need to remember this format for writing your test bench code for every module. Your test bench code will have initial begin and end statement always. Without initial begin statement you cannot write your test bench code. So here in the initial begin loop, what I'm doing, I'm setting A to 0, B to 0, C to 0. Then I'm giving a 10 nanosecond of delay. After 10 nanosecond of delay, C will be set to 1. Then again 10 nanoseconds. So here it is 0, 0, 0, next 0, 0, 1, and next it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and so on till the end it will be 1, 1, 1. It will have a duty cycle of 50% and time period of 20 nanoseconds. As how do you know whether it is nanoseconds or not? The scale is indicated in the beginning of the Verilog module. So here it is 1 nanosecond and precision is 1 picosecond. 1 unit is 1 nanosecond and precision is 1 picosecond. Okay, now you need to check the syntax of this Verilog file using, you need to select the simulation tab here and behavioral check syntax and rerun this. If there are any errors, the behavioral syntax will show errors. After that you're done actually. Now you can simulate the test bench if you double click on this. Now this test bench is created and you see everything is initialized to final value, which is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 1. So how do you know the previous value? You have to scroll at the beginning, but you see this scale is very large. The display is covering 0 to 100 picoseconds. You can reduce it using your mouse wheel. You have to just press Ctrl and scroll down so that the scale is reduced. Now you're seeing the zoomed in scale. Now here 0, the scale I have set after scrolling is 0 to 10 nanoseconds. My one unit is 20 nanoseconds, so 0 to 29. I can also like zoom in more so that my scale becomes 0 to 10 seconds. Okay, so here when my output is zeros, input is 0 0 0, output is 1. You can also like drag and drop wire to downside so that your output is visible at the downside. When the input is 0 0 1, output is 1 as indicated by the logic table, and similarly for other inputs. So this is how like you will be able to verify the logic for your module using Testbench in Verilog. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any doubt, let me know. Please let me know in the comment section.